Welcome to another Bev and Ryan hotel tour. In this video, we're heading out to the Park Hyatt Aviara Golf Club and Spa in Carlsbad, California. This Forbes 5-star and AAA 5-diamond resort is nestled within 250 acres of greenery with panoramic views of the hills surrounding this relaxing oasis. As we enter the lobby, the beautiful art piece hanging from above made a great first impression as we made our way inside. After checking in, we headed to our room on the 5th floor. Let's take a look at room 517. And this is a pool suite at the Park Hyatt Aviara. So there's a small half bath right by the entrance. And here is a spacious living room. So this large sofa is actually a sofa bed, so you can sleep 2 more people in here. There's a sofa bed. There's a dining table for 2. Big screen TV. And in this cabinet is the small fridge and the coffee maker. And the coffee and tea are right down here. And this is the in-room dining menu if you want to order room service. There's a Bluetooth speaker right there. And here's a look at our balcony. And we have a view of the resort and the pool. And the hills in the background. Let's go back inside. Here's a look at the bedroom. But first, let's take a look at the bathroom. Here's a vanity right here. A large walk-in closet with a safe, and they provide toothbrush, toothpaste, and a couple slippers. There's 2 bathrobes right here. And here's a quick look at the spacious bathroom. There's a shower, a soaking tub, dual sinks, and they use Le Labo products. And on this card it says if you take any of the bottles, they're going to charge you $120 per bottle. And here's the toilet. Let's make our way back to the bedroom. Nice sitting area for 2. It's a very comfy king-size bed. Big screen TV with some more storage in here on both sides. And the bedroom also has a balcony with the same view of the resort and the hills in the background. So that's a quick tour of our pool suite here at the Park Hyatt Aviara in Carlsbad, California. Punto Lago is the resort's refined modern main restaurant featuring Baja-inspired cuisine and specialty cocktails made with mezcal and tequila. It features an open kitchen along with indoor and outdoor seating options with views of the resort and its beautiful surroundings. Breakfast is served daily from 7 to 11 a.m. with a special Baja brunch on Sundays from 12 to 2:30 p.m. Sunday morning breakfast had a buffet as well as a la carte items. The buffet featured plenty of items such as pancakes, French toast, sausage, bacon, eggs, a variety of pastries, and plenty of fruits. I ordered the Kurobuta pork chile verde benedict, which was different from the egg benedicts I'm used to. We also ordered a ponto omelette, concha French toast, buttermilk pancakes, organic eggs with meat and potatoes, and an avocado toast. We thought the breakfast items were good, and it's a convenient place to eat without stepping out of the resort in the morning. We also stopped by for dinner, which is served daily from 5:30 to 9:30 p.m. Complimentary arepas were served before the main course, and they were so good. The grilled scallops were tender and tasty. This seafood paella was super salty and had way too much veggies, which I was not a fan of. My favorite item was the wood-grilled octopus, which was perfectly cooked. For dessert, we had the blueberry lime sorbet and the delicious freshly made churros. It's a nice place to have dinner, and most of the food was good. Amber and Rye is a Richard Blake steakhouse located in a vintage clubhouse setting at the Aviara Golf Club. The restaurant offers steaks and fresh seafood dishes using local ingredients from Carlsbad. We had dinner here on our second night and ordered the delicious crab and lobster bucatini, which had huge chunks of lobster, the perfectly seasoned cedar plank salmon, and this juicy Mishima Ranch Wagyu beef burger with triple cooked fries. For dessert, we shared this pineapple cake, which was just okay. We thought the food here was really good, and we recommend trying out this restaurant. Pacific Point, located by the lobby, is a great spot to enjoy a cocktail and a quick bite while watching the sunset from the indoor dining room or out on the terrace. It's open daily from 11:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., while the bar service is open until 11 p.m. There's also a happy hour Sunday through Thursday from 3 to 5 p.m. and live music on the terrace from 6 to 9 p.m. Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. Sip on a handcrafted cocktail while having a snack and taking in the beautiful views at Water's Edge located by the pools. It's open from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday through Thursday and until 6 p.m. Friday and Saturday. Aviara Market features a variety of sandwiches, pastries, coffee, and snacks. It also serves as a shop for essential items as well as souvenirs and gifts. It's open daily from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Get some relief from the summer heat by enjoying the resort's beautiful pools. The Splash Pool Deck features a large pool for families with a zero-grade entry and 2 water slides. Cabanas are also available for reservation for a more relaxing experience and guaranteed seating. The adults-only Ocean View Pool Deck offers a relaxed setting featuring 6 private cabanas with stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and the resort's natural surroundings. Here's a quick look at one of the cabanas, which has an L-shaped couch, a fridge, and a TV. Stop by the game room just by the lobby, which has multiple TVs, a pool table, and 2 Topgolf swing suites, which offers cocktails, local beers, and bar bites. Topgolf is open daily from 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. Let's take a look at the fitness center. Some food to the left side and some towels. And here's a big room to exercise. It has some free weights on the left. Let's go into the main part of the gym. There's a cable machine, Smith machine, a bunch of cardio equipment, some exercise machines, some more free weights here, and more free weights down here. Guests looking to pamper themselves should book an award-winning wellness experience at Miraval Life and Balance Spa Aviara. This relaxing oasis also offers culinary experiences, fitness classes, and personal training. Golfers should not miss a round at Aviara Golf Club, San Diego's only golf course designed by Arnold Palmer. Condé Nast Traveler has named it the #1 golf resort in Southern California, and Golf Digest magazine has recognized it as one of the country's best resort golf courses. The resort features several venues to host weddings, meetings, and other private gatherings. It's such a popular spot for couples tying the knot. We actually saw 2 weddings take place, one in the evening and another during the daytime. This was the second time we've stayed here, and we truly enjoyed our stay. I loved our spacious suite and waking up in the morning, stepping out into the balcony to take in this beautiful sunrise. The hotel is luxurious, relaxing, well-maintained, with beautiful resort grounds, and it never felt crowded at all during our summer weekend stay. Guests should definitely try out the restaurants which served good food, except for the super salty seafood paella I ordered. We highly recommend this hotel for couples and families who want to have a luxurious, relaxing weekend surrounded by nature. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.